Hey guys! Are you on to buy best dual action polisher for beginners? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best dual action polisher for beginners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Meguiar's DA Orbit and Rotation Car Machine Polisher Pad Kit. The top product on our list of best dual action polishers for beginners is Meguiar's DA Car Machine Polisher Pad Kit. When it comes to automobiles, Meguiar's is a well-established name. The company is hailed for its car care products, and this DA Pad Kit is another one in the basket. This kit is ideal for beginners as it comes with a complete set of detailing tools, including 3 polishing pads. There's a 5 inches red foam cutting disc with a buffing pad which is ideal for removing large and heavy swirls and scratches. The second one is a 5 inches yellow foam polishing pad which you can use to further refine your compounded finish. The third one is another 5 inches black foam finishing disc, which is ideal for applying wax or sealant to protect and enhance the shine of your car paint. The best part is that all the pads are machine washable. This dual action kit is orbit and rotation, meaning you can work on your car without worrying about damaging your paint. With this kit, you will finally be able to get professional-like results at your home. Now our second product is Chemical Guys TORQX Random Polisher Kit. This technologically advanced tool polishes and removes scratches, swirls, and other defects from the exterior of your vehicle. The heavy-duty construction offers premium quality and longevity. This machine is designed to give professional results. With the help of this machine and its 3, 5, and 6 pads, you can apply wax, sealant, and glaze in minutes. The backing plate of the machine can be switched for a more customized finish. It moves in random orbits and the power increases simultaneously with speed. The streamlined controls give maximum usage comfort. You can now easily get rid of all those imperfections without any hassle or spending a huge sum of cash. Lastly, the lightweight construction with vibration reduction technology makes it easy to use. It is one of the best dual-action orbital polishers for beginners. Our third product is Meguiar's MT300 Dual-Action Variable Speed Polisher. Another beginner-friendly polishing machine that you should have in your garage is Meguiar's MT300 Dual-Action Polisher. You can use this product to get rid of any kind of defects on the surface of your ride. The ergonomic design makes it extremely easy to use and maneuver. The lightweight and multi-position D-handle give more comfort and control. This machine is highly durable. You can use it for a longer period without worrying about the motor overheating or any other related issue. With this machine, you can compound, buffer and polish your car's exterior and revive it like the new one. The feature of low torque on the startup helps you start cutting without splattering the polish around. In addition, the impressive torque load management and wide range of speeds ensure you can treat all levels of your paint's condition. This corded machine is ideal for you to begin your journey of better maintenance of your automobile. It will not take much of your time and give better results with the least labor. Now number 4, Avid Power 6-inch Random Orbital Car Buffer Polisher Waxer. If you are looking for a versatile applicator, then the 6 inches dual action polisher for car detailing by Avid Power is worth exploring. This 8mm random orbital polisher comes with a powerful motor. It is ideal for polishing and removing scratches, swirls, and other defects from the exterior of vehicles. It comes with variable speed control, with 6 to be precise. The dial allows you to adjust the polisher speed as per your applications. The machine has a rubberized body and adjustable handle that gives a comfortable grip and non-slip control while in use. It will never roll off any surface. This product is easy to use. You can compound, buffer, and polish using it in no time. It is easy enough for beginners and powerful enough for professionals. And our last choice is Champ Power Lightweight Dual Action Polisher. The DA Polisher by CP Champ Power is the fully loaded package you can buy in 2023. It comes with a polisher machine that has detachable handles, various polishing pad options, a washing mitt, a hex wrench, and a microfiber towel. It has an ergonomic design that offers easy control. The entire body is made of rubber. There are 2 adjustable handles D and slide for better grip while working. The machine has 6 variable speed adjustments, and you can choose your like by manually turning the knob. You can set the speed from 1500 to 6800 RPM based on the materials and applications. If you desire an affordable variable speed dual action car polisher, this one will not disappoint you. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.